Hello, everybody. My name is Joaquin Gomez, and today we'll be talking about the readings regarding participatory culture and technological education. So, what is participatory culture? This was a concept that was first introduced by Henry Jenkins in his book titled Confronting the Challenges of Participatory Culture, and can mostly be summarized as allowing students and children to be able to engage in their own ideas outside of traditional learning environments. For example, learning things on a digital media space rather than having to learn it in the school. At times, not every time, school is allowed to teach all the skills necessary for the advancement of technology into the 21st century. So, more in regards to participation culture in the 21st century, as social media and other technologies continue to develop, children are becoming more accustomed to using technology as a means to create content creation and learning. Perfect examples could be researching with Google. Students are allowed and use Google as a resource, as an asset to find things online, and that's not really enforced in traditional learning. And also, they also develop networking skills within social media platforms, and this is really important later in life when networking is can get you a really good job. It can land you various opportunities. So, furthermore, traditional learning cannot harness some of the skills learned during informal learning. So, more about connected learning and digital media. There's been an increase in emphasis regarding technical and media literacy within these various technological developments and advancements that we've developed, such as social media platforms and online communities. Children and youth are allowed to learn various skills that they can't really learn in traditional learning. However, parents are not socially accepting these spaces that are dedicated to younger children and young adults, and wanting privacy and learning about one's identity are valuable lessons and can teach children valuable lessons that can be once again can be taught in a traditional learning environment. Like once again, two examples that social interaction online can create benefits for in regards to is how to socialize and networking. So there's an influence of participatory culture on education, and teachers, parents, and librarians, and any kind of mentor should introduce technology and online resources to their children rather than having them learn themselves. This would allow a smoother transition towards these social and technological spaces, and there needs to be more of an acceptance of informal learning, as collaboration is more frowned upon, is mostly frowned upon in higher education spaces, and being able to integrate technology and learning into one environment can prove exponentially beneficial for the student. And two quotes that really captivate this idea is one from Henry Jenkins that states, "Education should become open source. I don't think it's about exclusive access." And Mimi Ito says that there really is a gap in perception and understanding between generations about the value and engagement with online activities. I completely agree with both of these researchers and developers on this topic, and I think that as we progress, technology and learning will become one. Thank you for your time.